Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to turn off active status on TikTok. Okay, so open TikTok application on your device and then open your profile at the bottom side of the screen. And then in the top right corner you see three horizontal lines. This is menu, and then go to settings. Here you see account section, and here navigate to privacy, and here you should find the function activity status. So if you want to keep it off, you should make sure that the slider is on the left, but if you want to turn it on, make sure that the slider is moved to the right like this. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.